What's up, guys? It's your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Coffee. I'm back at y'all with another video. We cutting up metal. We grinding, y'all. Cutting up the swing set that we grabbed off the side of the road, chopping it down, you know, making more space, you know, little pieces. Got these little pieces. It was long, so we've been chopping them down. Got another piece over here, getting chopped down. Then you got another piece right there. Then we're gonna do these bed frames, get them out of here with all this good old metal, you know, and hit it nice and tidy too, you know. And we got this little stainless, half stainless steel. So here's never scrap yard day, y'all. And see what else we can get into. Y'all probably tired of the scrapping videos, but that's what I got going on right now. So you got rock with me, roll with me at the present moment of time, ladies and gentlemen. You know what I mean? So, with that being said, we're going to finish loading this truck up. Uh-oh. We're going to finish loading this truck up. Gotta turn it the other way. That way. Yeah, that's finish loading this up, finish helping him, and knock this out, and I'll get back to y'all. More and more and more. And more. They chopped that corn down. It's that time, and that's the way that house. All the fields is empty, y'all. Telling y'all, property is gonna come. You know, I got what I got right now, and I'm happy and I'm satisfied right now. But one day, man, I'm gonna have my whole family on one property. I ain't gonna have the whole family. Oh, they burning over there. It ain't gonna be the whole family, you know. Probably. Yeah, they ain't gonna have the whole family there on the property, but, you know, my kids, if I can get all my kids on one property. No, you turn right. Okay. This third that way. 601, sir. Ain't not coming. All right. Y'all know physical therapy day. So, y'all know what that means. Going back down the road and boogie, go make a couple dollars. I'm a passenger right now. Young man behind the wheel. So ready for him to go take his test. You know. It's that time. He'll probably get it done next month. Go in the other way. That way I can just come straight out. You can even stop by the picnic table. That way, right behind the door. Just right here. Yeah. I'll hop out. Every time that young man pull up, he got a truck full of stuff. Yes, his daddy do. It's his truck, but guess what? Mine down. So we're gonna make this little change with his little Tonka toy. But the Tonka toy, huh? Oh man, Tonka toy still do his business. All right, well, you have to get a copy. All right. They definitely are burning manure, y'all. It's stank. Yeah, it's funky. Alright. So now we getting ready to slide out the canter, y'all. So we're gonna go see what we make after this. The steel, cause I don't have no what I wanna say, appliances. I don't have any appliances. So with that being said, we're gonna see what we're gonna make off of no appliance with just steel, the tin. Cause I don't have no heavy stuff, cause that's what it would be, tin, clean tin. So we'll go find out, get this money. So ride with me, and I'll catch y'all. Look, they out here getting that money too right now. Yes, indeed. Big trucks, Tonka toy. Yup. On these back roads, loving it. We're gonna go price my back window, or maybe pick one up. So we're gonna find out how much they're gonna charge us. I don't know. I'm gonna have to call them actually when I get home and see if I can find out how much they'll charge me at U Pulley. Because I think I got one that's close to me. So, gotta wait and see. Uh-oh, tank. 32 gang in the way. Nice little tank. Yeah, so we just gonna cruise, y'all. Off in the country. Who don't like it? I like it. Not a lot of people like being in the country, but I'm one of those who'll take the country any day, man. I like the peace. I don't know if it's because I done got older, but I definitely like the peace out here in the country. Y'all tell me what y'all think, man. Y'all like it? Look at that. That's beautiful. Out here in the country. In the country. Literally. Look at that. Wow. Look. Nice little house in the country. Who don't want to be in the fucking country, man? Yeah, look at them down there. Got that little thing going on. They still building. I just wanted to get back on here and say that, y'all. I love the country, man. So, yeah. You just so happen to run across little stuff in a little town on these back roads. You know, just a little small town. You know, it's crazy. Their own little small country community. Now, the one thing that I don't see out here is stores. You know, I'm gonna be honest with you, they got like a Dollar General like 5 minutes, 10 minutes from here, you know. But this, it's crazy. These little bitty town. I think I made a wrong turn down here in these little bitty towns. Yeah. I thought I remembered my way. Maybe I do, maybe I don't. We're gonna find out. Yeah, I think we made a wrong turn. So we are going. We just riding around, lost like a champ. Give me a second, y'all. I gotta pull up the GPS. They go 30 here. I might not be lost. I know I shot past. Here, I can't turn. See, I messed up. But I'm not lost. I'm on 30, but I'm not lost. I just can't turn around and go back the other way. Actually, I'm going the right way. That's the way I want to go to the auto parts store. Yep, I missed the turn, and it took me down the street that way, what, half a mile or so. I made it here before they went to lunch, and so yeah, we're gonna see what we weighing. Yeah. Let's see. They checking the young man out with a little bit of stuff in the truck. Boom. What's up, fellas? How y'all doing? Slow and steady. We sitting at 5,120 pounds off of this stuff. Now, we're gonna see. I think we probably take off. Probably about, my son said we got like 500 on here, maybe, you know what I mean, so, might have about 450, I would say 480, one of those, hopefully, a decent number, see what's cracking. Yeah. We got anybody in here to take this stuff off? Oh yeah, somebody's there. Oh. Young man in the truck. Let's get us backed up. Good? I think we good. Alright, let's get this stuff off away from the window so that way we don't have another accident. I don't know how that goes. Got my little baby. What's up, man? I think we should be good. I think we're good to go. I know I was going to pull some of it back. Yeah. Let me take y'all off. I'll take y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, we empty. I know I told y'all I'd get back with y'all, but shit, I had to it was a little too close to the window, but me personally, That don't bother me to toss it, you know what I mean? But we gonna try to figure out who's the people that do you pull it. Because if you pull it, it'll be a lot cheaper in my pocket. Plus, I get to go see whatever stuff they got, man. Because last time I was there, I went, y'all probably saw the video. My son did the fender. What else? Fender. I think it was the back bumper. Because my neighbor, same ones I got tired for, they wrecked their car. So, you know, who knows? Okay, y'all. What'd that say? 45.80. Okay. And what did I say? We was at 51.20. Okay. 500. Can't be mad. Can't be mad. Couple dollars. We don't mind a couple dollars. I'll get back to y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all. We did 48.60. Clean 10 is $9 every 100. So, that being said, y'all see what we made. So, wonder what y'all area say. Y'all area clean 10? And see, that's what I wanted to get rid of today, just straight clean 10. I have some other stuff, like I told y'all. I got a whole lot of aluminum motors, aluminum auto parts. I got a lot. So we're going to end up doing a video on that too as well. So I just want to get with y'all and see what y'all think and what y'all got going on in y'all area on clean 10. So my clean 10 is at $9 every 100. So let me know what y'all think about y'all's. Y'all think it ain't a good price right now? Should the price go back up to $11 every 100? Because that's what it was at first when we first came here. So y'all let me know. Holla at y'all. It's your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun. I'm out with another video. Catch y'all on the next one, or I will catch y'all in a little bit. Peace.